Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to challenge the Italian club tour event in eFootball 2024. So let's challenge the Serie A. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can complete the objectives or the mission or quests, and also how you can challenge or join the event. So let's get started. Let's get started by tap this one, the dream team, and tap this one, the events. And as you can see, this one tour event, Italian club versus AI match. So we are going to play versus bot or computer. We are not going to play with another user or the another player. And tap this the details. So this is the event description. Receive a GP and skill training program by playing versus AI matches and collecting event points. So this is team type dream team. Event type is tour event, and you can get bonus if you have this player from Serie A player here. Let's tap it, play or continue, and you can build the game plan first. And also this is match setting. You can adjust your match level. For example, if you're a new player, you can play in beginner or amateur or even regular. If you're veteran, you can play as a legend, superstar, or even top player. And to the match, tap it, and we are going to play versus Torino. Just tap next, and welcome to Italian club tour event. So we are going to face or to play against team from Serie A, and the first match is against Torino. So make sure you win this game to get the rewards. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.